Congratulations! Your green card has finally arrived, marking a truly significant milestone in your immigration journey to permanent residency in the United States. Remember, the first 72 hours after its arrival are absolutely crucial for preventing any potential future complications that could disrupt your new status. That's why ImmigraFlow is here to guide you carefully through the 4 critical steps you must take immediately to ensure a smooth and successful transition into your life as a permanent resident. First, let's discuss the essential task of inspecting your new green card thoroughly for any errors, as this vital initial check can save you from major headaches down the line. Carefully examine key details like your full name, date of birth, and A number to ensure they are absolutely correct and match your records precisely. Don't overlook your immigrant category and, most importantly, the validity dates printed on the card, since any discrepancy in these areas can lead to significant issues and delays later on. If you spot any errors at all, contact USCIS right away to report them, and you may need to file Form I-90 for correction, though a fee might not apply if the mistake was made by USCIS themselves. Next, it's crucial to fully understand your green card's validity period and take the necessary immediate actions to stay compliant from day one. Most standard green cards are valid for a full 10 years, so locate that expiration date on your card clearly and make a prominent note of it right now for future reference. However, be especially aware that conditional green cards are typically valid for only 2 years, so pay close attention to this key distinction on your specific card. To stay ahead, mark your physical or digital calendar for the renewal process up to 12 months in advance of that expiration date, giving you plenty of time to prepare without stress. One simple yet mandatory step you should take immediately upon receiving your card is to sign it neatly on the back, as this is often overlooked but legally required. Now, let's move on to securing your invaluable green card safely, because protecting this important document is a top priority for every new permanent resident. The best practice is to store your green card in a highly secure location, such as a bank-safe deposit box or a reliable fireproof safe right at home. Additionally, make clear photocopies of both the front and back sides of your green card and store these copies separately from the original for quick access if needed. It's also a smart precaution to inform trusted family members or even your bank about the secure location of your original card, just in case of emergencies. For extra long-term protection, consider slipping your green card into an acid-free envelope or specialized protective pouch to shield it from everyday wear and tear over time. Finally, let's prepare you for the essential next steps as a new permanent resident, including several important updates that need your prompt attention. Start by visiting your nearest Social Security Administration office to update your records officially with your new permanent resident status. Bring along your green card, current Social Security card, and a valid photo ID. You'll use Form SS-5 to get a new card, but your SSN stays the same without any work restrictions now. Next up, head to your local Department of Motor Vehicles to apply for a driver's license or state ID to reflect your updated status. Note that requirements can vary by state, but they typically include your green card, Social Security card, and solid proof of your current address. To make the process efficient, always double-check your specific state's DMV website beforehand for the exact requirements and avoid unnecessary multiple trips. If you've recently moved or plan to, notify USCIS within just 10 days by creating an online account on their website or properly submitting Form AR-11. Failing to report an address change promptly can lead to serious penalties, so treat this as one of your most critical compliance steps. When it comes to international travel, keep in mind that trips abroad longer than 1 year could potentially jeopardize your permanent resident status. If you're planning any extended absence from the U.S., be sure to obtain a re-entry permit in advance before you leave to protect your residency. And always remember to carry both your green card and valid passport with you when re-entering the United States for a seamless process at the border. By diligently following these 4 critical steps in the first 72 hours, you'll help avoid common pitfalls and ensure a truly smooth start to your life as a permanent resident in America. For even more detailed, personalized guidance to stay fully compliant, it's always highly recommended to consult with a qualified immigration attorney. Don't forget to subscribe to ImmigraFlow right now for more essential immigration tips, updates, and checklists tailored just for you. Hit that subscribe button today, follow us on all platforms, and get continuous expert support throughout your entire immigration journey. We're here to help every single step of the way.